All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the winner's choice between the Griffey ball, the Giannis, what else was in there? I don't remember. And the Montana replica helmet. So get that back down there. There we go. Okay. So we'll check the time, May 16th at 5:47 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have May 16th at 5:47 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Bob. Spot 6 is your winner. So, Bob, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, May 16th, 5:47 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.